You are most welcome, sir.
And good morning, all the diamonds. Good morning to you all. I am not in Nigeria today. I am in India. I had some urgent traveling to do, so I am in a car. But I am very happy to give a short and concise message. First of all, my message today is how DXN is important in current modern times. Okay. First of all, we have to remind ourselves how lucky we are that we know and we have these alkaline micronutrients at our disposal. Okay. Let me just give you a viewpoint on the current pandemic. The reason why we have this current pandemic is because the world immunity levels are coming down, and hence these viruses which are in the tipping point, which are not harming us, starts harming us because of our inflammatory response to the viruses. As world immunity keeps on coming down, these viruses and much more viruses will come, and much more inflammatory processes. Now it is the lung, next could be a brain edema, could be a eye edema. Many more inflammatory conditions can arise in the future, will arise in the future. So now we have at our disposal the most alkaline and immune modulating and immune boosting product on the planet at our disposal. So we are thankful today to DXN, to Dr. Lim, and to Professor Vasupalaya, Dr. Retna, and all the other leaders who understand this and promote this all over the world. Okay. In these current times, what Ganoderma and Spirulina does is not prevention of disease alone. It is not wellness alone. It is prevention of death. I will explain why I'm saying this so. Okay. In the last 8 months, I have been in charge of a COVID government-oriented or government-approved hospital in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay. For the first 7.5 months, we did not have a single death, not in the ICU, not in our COVID wards. We were all bombarding them with Spirulina and Ganoderma. I will tell you what happens. When our body is in an acidic state, it is like trying to swim in a swimming pool at around 0 degrees. When the swimming pool is very cold, we cannot swim, we stay light. That is what happens when the body is in an acidic balance. Our white blood cells cannot move around, cannot do the work. When the temperature of the pool immediately becomes 20 degrees or our body temperature, we start swimming and we are happy. This is what happens when the alkalinity of our body changes. We know now that if you take 2 spirulina, 2 RG and 2 GL, within 20 minutes, there is an alkaline change. Now, when you give more, this alkaline change immediately gives a boost to our immunity. It is there, I've experienced it day in and day out. Okay, this is something that is not, it is not describable because it is not measurable. So it's not described in books, but this is what happens. And we have this at our disposal. Okay, we have to just spread this word around, not only spread DXN, we prevent death from the current pandemic. This is the most important message that I want to share with you all today.